Hello students, welcome back to my channel. I am Honey. In this video, we are going to cover Chapter 1 Irrational Numbers Exercise 1.1. So let's get started. Question number 1 says, is 0 a rational number? And can you write it in form P by Q where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0? So basically, this is the definition for our rational number. It means these two conditions need to get satisfied for a number to be a rational number. So let us see, is it possible for number 0 or not? So is 0 a rational number? Yes, 0 is a rational number. Now let us check if we can actually write it in the form of rational number, which is in form of P by Q or not. Okay. To do that, I'll just write a general syntax that says 0 whenever it is divided by any non-zero number, right? Take any non-zero number actually results in 0 itself. Okay. So for example, take 0 and divide it by any non-zero number, which means take either a positive number or a negative number other than 0. So put here -1, or let us frame one more number like -2, or 0 by, let's say, 100, or 0 by -200, or whatsoever, right? All of these values will actually result in number 0. It means that number 0 can be written in all of these forms, correct? So let us try doing this condition checks, right? So take any of these examples from here. So what you can write, take this example like here, take the first one. For now, 0 is the value of P and -1 is the value for Q. So can I say that 0 and -1 are integers? So yes, they are integers. And is Q equal to 0 or not? So Q is what? -1 here. So -1, is it equal to 0? No, it's not equal to 0. So these two conditions are checked, which are actually the condition for rational number, right? So thus we have just seen what? That 0 is a rational number. That's it. Hope you got how to solve this question. Now let us move to the next question. Question number 2 says, find 6 rational numbers in between 3 and 4. To solve this question, we are going to rewrite number 3 and number 4. So can I write number 3 as denominator could be 7? So tell me, like, what number when divided by 7 gives us 3? Yes, it's number 21. In the same way, we are going to write 4. So do not change the denominator this time. You need to do what? Think of a number on dividing which by 7 gives this number 4. So again, the number here would be what? 28. Okay. Now instead of writing 3 and 4, I'm going to write 21 by 7 and 28 by 7. And let us write all the numbers that comes in between them. So 21 by 7, the next number would be 22 by 7, next number would be 23 by 7. Keep on going in the same manner. 24, 25 by 7, 26 by 7, and 27 by 7. And the next number will be 28 by 7. Now, all of these numbers that are in between, okay, actually this is what? Number 3 and this is number 4. So all these are the 6 rational numbers that we wanted. Now, you can do one more check. If any of these numbers could be reduced to their standard form, do reduce them. Otherwise, if not possible, then just leave it. Okay, so for example, we cannot divide 22 by 7, right? We cannot divide 23 by 7. Okay, we cannot bring it to their standard forms. So for now, all of these numbers are already in their standard form. So just leave them as it is. So you can come to your final statement and say that thus the six rational numbers in between number 3, sorry, you can just write here six rational numbers in between 3 and 4 are. So pick all the numbers, which is 22 by 7, 23 by 7, 24 by 7, so on till 27 by 7, right? So all these numbers are your rational numbers in between 3 and 4. Now there is a small tip for you children, that do not stick to this value keeping denominator as 7. Instead of 7 you can even put 8 or 9 or 10 or so on, right? Do not take a value smaller than 7. Do not take 4, 6, 5 or 6 as denominator, because they are going to give you less number of rational numbers, because as per this question we need at least 6 rational numbers. So start with 7, not less than that. Let us move to the next question now. In the next question we have to find 5 rational numbers in between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So let us do it. Now we need to change this 3 by 5 to some other number. In the same way, we need to change this 4 by 5 to some other number. Our objective is to make this denominator greater, okay, so that we find numbers in between them, correct? So as I need here 5 numbers, so what I'll do is I'll just take this number and try making the denominator as large as possible. So let us try with 6. So I'll just multiply and divide this by 6. So we get here 18 by 30. And for 4 by 5, the denominator will be 30 itself. So it means 4 by 5 is multiplied and divided by 6. So we get here how much? 24 by 30. Now, instead of writing this number, okay, we are going to replace them with these two numbers respectively. Now, 18 by 30, and we can write here 24 by 30. Let us write all the rational numbers that fall in between them. So after 18 what comes? 19, 20 by 30, 21 by 30, 22 by 30, 23 by 30, and the next number will be 24 by 30. Do one check. Can we reduce any of these numbers to their standard form? I think yes, right? So let us reduce them. So in the second step, instead of this, I am writing 3 by 5 because we are reducing them to their standard form. So this becomes 3 by 5, which is our question. 19 by 30 could not be reduced, so it is as it is. 20 by 30, when divided by 10, you get 2 by 3. 21 by 30 divided by number 3, so you get here 7 by 10. Take the next number divided by 2, so you get here what? 11 by 15. The next number remains as it is. And the last number, which is 24 by 30, is actually what? 4 by 5. So write 4 by 5. So we have reduced all the numbers, or all the possible numbers which could be reduced to their standard form, right? So always do this step. Do not forget. So our final step would be what? Thus, 5 rational numbers in between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5 are. So just write the numbers from here to here. They are 5 in count: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So just write them. So 19 by 30, 2 by 3, 7 by 10, 11 by 15, and 23 by 30. So these are the rational numbers in between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Again, a small tip here, do not just restrict yourself to multiply the denominator and numerator by number 6. Take any number larger than 5. Okay, so you can take here 6 as I took. You can take number 7, 8, 9, any number in place of 6. Okay, try solving it. You are going to get more than 5 rational numbers if you do so. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel and we'll see you in the next video with the next exercise. Thank you.